LR, the liberal redneck here, coming to you from the land where it's not macho to vote, and Texas citizens are paying the price. Republicans tout their latest victory at the polls as a mandate. Nothing could be further from the truth. When only 30% of all registered voters participate in the process, the results can hardly be called a mandate. Minority rule would be a much more appropriate description. I think the time has come to make voting mandatory. It needs to be a qualification to maintain your citizenship. In order to buy a home, register a car, get a driver's license, open a bank account, get married, or any other normal adult legal action, you must prove that you have voted. If you want to benefit from the system, you have to participate in the system. By making voting mandatory, it must also be made easier. Online voting and voting machines in public places like grocery stores and convenience stores, mobile voting places that go around to areas that don't have convenient polls, and extended voting periods would greatly improve the current system. Then, and only then, would it even be possible for the electorate to issue a mandate to their candidates. You can reach me at theliberalredneck@gmail.com, and you can visit with me every Thursday at noon Central Standard Time on Blog Talk Radio. Thanks for watching.